Okay, so starting off the morning a little late. not a little late, I'm pretty late to work actually. And I still gotta move this car. Can't believe this guy named his company crap. C-R-N-P. I think this week I have been late to work every single day. I shouldn't put this in the vlog, but I've genuinely been late. Not like 5 minutes, but sometimes like 10, 15 minutes. But still, always late. So Facebook's handing out some free coffee at Farley's, so we're gonna head over there to start the day. And then come back. Facebook with the free coffee. So it's lunchtime, I'm gonna go get some barbecue. I forgot where it's called though, so we'll see when we get there. Everett and Jones Barbecue. Woo! I've been on this Chinese medicine diet for like 6 days now, and I've had ribs like 4 of the days. I can't keep having ribs, I'm gonna die. Look at this classic American meal. Protein, carbs, more carbs. Yay. I give it a 5.5. Maybe a 5. It was a 6, and then service was kind of crappy, so 5. I'll give it a 5. Oh my god. I got it. 1 bite tangerine. It took us an hour and 15 minutes to get home. Oh my god! Today's a car video. I'm actually installing the ECS tuning turbo muffler delete. It was attempted when I did the turbo inlet pipe, but then I ended up not doing the muffler delete because it looked really hard. So, but today I have time. Tomorrow I'm not planning to drive this car, so let's get started. So we're gonna start off a little very simple today. We're just gonna, I know that the turbo muffler delete requires me to take off the intake, so we're gonna take off the intake first. I'll put some gloves on because my hands, I don't want my hands to get dirty, which they already did a little bit. But I was told, well, I watched the YouTube video, and it said, gotta remove this intake. So if you haven't seen the video for this intake install, that was like 5 months ago. So go watch it. Just gonna get a towel and make sure I don't scratch up this nice, still very clean intake. Well, look right here. This is ECS turbo inlet pipe. I want to say the muffler delete is like somewhere down there, so it just takes some clearance. It's like behind this pipe right here. I don't even see it. Well, let me take my phone out. So the inlet pipe, the turbo inlet is right down there. The turbo muffler delete is right down there. And well, all this stuff's in the way. And supposedly, you remove the battery, which I don't want to do. So I'm gonna try my best not to remove the battery. Try to undo those clamps down there and just see if I can get it done. We'll see. Super big brain moment. Don't need to. The wrench, I managed to fit it down there with the inlet pipe turned up, loosening the factory clamp right now, enough for it to shift around, and then I can just kind of twist it. Now it's just gonna come up. I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I can take off the charge pipe, and not take off, but like just shift the charge pipe, and then shift that band, so then I can, the band right there, so I can, whatchamacallit, make it easier to undo next time. So, actually kind of figured it out. Just took out the battery. This isn't the prettiest way how to do it, but battery thing is out, battery is out, and now I have room to pull in the charge pipe to loosen up this one clamp right here that I've been having problems with. So, you don't necessarily need a 7mm wrench, but it probably would make it easier. So, let's get to the rest of this. I had an epiphany moment and it actually worked. I'm actually very surprised this worked. I managed to pull out the charge pipe enough to give myself space for this, and I managed to loosen the coupler. So, don't need a 7mm wrench, but it would make your life a lot easier and less forceful. And now I just gotta take off the charge pipe, the rubber from the charge pipe, and then I can have, I'll have clearance for the muffler delete. So stressful, but I actually finally got it out. I really should have got the replacement one for this, but it's okay. I'll just put this back in after. Dude. Oh, thanks. Thanks, friend.
Look what you make me do.
You're the best. Yes, for this little wrench. You know what's funny? The problem that I had, guess what? I just figured it out. It's already so hard. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Get home safe. Yeah, don't die in the rain, please. I don't want to be at fault for that.
I was gonna blame you if I wasn't again.
Oh my god, don't do that, please. The bolt in the fucking car. JK, I didn't need to go into the car, so I ejected the car for no reason. Nah! Oh my god, I give up. Okay, so that ends today's vlog. I lost another bolt in the car and I just cannot find it right now. So I'm gonna take a break for the night. Continue this tomorrow. So unfortunately, this is a fail. I will end the vlog here and pick it up again tomorrow. If this were a normal video, I could have just stitched them together and it wouldn't matter, but it's Vlogmas. So any fails that I have bleeds into the next day. So, gotta be a little more prepared.